What's going on, y'all? We doing brisket today, so of course the first thing we had to do was rain on it, hit it with a little salt and pepper. Then we went on, got it into our vacuum seal bag, cause we sous vide this bad boy, and it came out perfect. So let's go ahead and vac it down. Now once you vac it down, it should look just like this, y'all, just like this. And we gonna get into our sous vide machine for 26 hours at 145 degrees. We'll see him in 26 hours. Now once it get out, pat it on dry. That's just so you can torch it down right quick like this. Develop that nice crust. And guess what? It's time to cut into it. Now, of course, we let our meat rest for at least 30 minutes before we cut into it. But man, look how juicy that bad boy is. That brisket just leaking out juice. It's crying, y'all. It's crying. So let's go ahead and get us a bite. And yeah, just like I figured, so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.